welcome back to my kitchen. It's your girl Adaora of Adorable Kitchen, and you're so welcome to my kitchen. How are you doing? I hope you're doing good. That's aside. On today's video, I want to unbox my Nigerian food ingredients with you guys, and I also want to show you guys how I store these food items and they last for years without losing their freshness, without losing their taste or their flavor. You know, just retain all the good stuff that come with it until I'm ready to use them up. So please relax and watch till the very end. This is stockfish, some raw chicken seasoning, some dry fish. This is achicha. If you're from Enugu State, you will know achicha. I have abacha. This is abacha. I have okwa. This is okwa. This is okwa. This is eel. Oh my god. If you are from Enugu State, you probably know this. Let me show you what it looks like. You make it the same way you make abacha. This is eel. It's like chips. Eel. Let me know in the comment section if you know what this is. This is bambara nut flour, okpa flour. Over here is a goosey melon seed. It's already ground. This is upaka oil bean seed, grated oil bean seed. This is akedi black bean. I have another boroko. I have crayfish. This is ground crayfish. I have another crayfish. This is the whole crayfish. This is beans flour for making akara and moi moi. This is what it looks like. Beans flour. Also have bitter leaf. So this is dry bitter leaves, onubo. I have dry fish, and this is the sponge for washing this dried fish. So this is dried, roasted, and it smells so good. This smells amazing. I can't wait to use this and eat abacha. So this brush is for cleaning this fish. When you soak it in warm water and salt, you use this to scrub the skin to remove all the yama yama. So guys, I'm done unboxing everything. This is my mom. Say hi. Hi. So I'm done unboxing everything. So for the abacha does not need any special storage. Yeah, it does not need any special packaging before I store the abacha. So I'm just going to transfer them into another bag. You know, it doesn't really matter how you store abacha, they last really well because they're already dry. Let me show you what it looks like. This is the abacha. It's made from cassava. And I have so many abacha recipes on my channel, so feel free to check them out. So as I said, I don't really need to do much with this. I'm just gonna tie it up and transfer into another bag because this one is already torn. I'm just going to transfer into another one, and that is it for abacha. Also, I'm going to throw in this eel. I'm also going to throw in this eel inside that bag of abacha. This is the eel. I'm not going cassava like this. They're different. Is it like it looks like cocoyam, but it's not cocoyam. Yes. So I don't know what it's called, but then we make it the same way we make abacha. Senior brother to abacha. This is senior brother to abacha. Yes. Very expensive. So, yeah. So in this bag I have all my abacha and my eel. So this one is ready to go into my storage like this. Again, this one does not need any special storage. It's already sealed. See, it's sealed properly, so I don't really need to do much with this. I'm just going to throw this into my freezer. If you don't have space in your freezer, you can just keep it in a bucket with a very tight lid. Just close it up very well because it smells it smells like so weird. So just keep it somewhere very sealed, maybe in a bucket or inside your freezer if you have space in your freezer. I have Royco in here, and this Royco are from Nigeria, so I'm also going to pour the snow into this jar and seal it. So this one is ready to be stored just like this. Then this is the bitter leaf. This is onugbo, dried onugbo. This one also does not require much. I'm just going to transfer into another bag because this one is already torn. I'm going to transfer this into another bag and just throw into my storage. Again, if you want to know how to soften this bitter leaf before you use it, I'm going to link that video at the end of this very one so that you can check it out. It is very easy to do. This is bitter leaf, it's already dried, but if you want to use it, you have to soak it in water and turn it back into fresh one before you use it in your food, in your soup. So if you want to know how to do that, make sure you watch the video link to this one. So we are done with this one. So these are the ones remaining, and these ones will need a special storage method. I'm going to use my vacuum sealer machine. This is from Blitz Home. I'm going to use this to vacuum seal those remaining food items. I have vacuum bags. I have the big one and I have a medium-sized vacuum bag. This is okpa. This is okwa, black beans. This is achicha. If you are from Enugu, you will know achicha. It is made from cocoyam. This is egusi in ground form, melon seed. This is ground crayfish. This is beans flour for akara and moi moi. This is crayfish. Honestly, this crayfish is good like this. I don't even need to seal this because this Ziploc bag can serve as well. And I have the baka. So I love to use my vacuum sealer to seal those ones because of their nature, they're already like in powdered form. They can easily lose their flavor and their taste. So I love to vacuum them so that they can last for years and still retain their freshness and all that good stuff. So let's do just that. So I'm going to cut out just the size I need, and I think this is a lot. So it's all sealed and ready to be stored. So there's no air in this. I vacuumed all the air out and it is so strong and it's going to stay like this for years and it won't lose its freshness. So this is okpa. Okay, so we are done with the okpa and the okwa. So now we have moved on to achicha. This is achicha. So first of all, I vacuum the bag and remove the air. Then I go ahead and seal the bag. So this is what we have. This is the second bag of the achicha. Over here is egusi. So we are moving on to egusi. Okay, so this is the crayfish. Guys, this crayfish can stay like this for 2 years and still retain the flavor. So this is what it looks like. Now we are proceeding to akidi. So this is actually the black beans. So this is the opaka. We're going to seal each one in one vacuum bag. So we have everything sealed and ready to be stored. My mom is modeling. This is beans flour, 2 cups. Beans flour, 2 cups. Akidi, 5 cups. Another akidi, 3 cups. Achicha. So guys, this is how I store my Nigerian food ingredients, and they retain their freshness for the longest time. Now I'm going to transfer this into my garage fridge. If you don't have space in your fridge, you can just keep this in a big bowl with a lid and keep in a cool place. But because I have extra fridge, I'm just going to throw them into the fridge. So guys, these are the other things I have in my fridge. These are okpa. I'm also going to add those ones.